Alright, got everything loaded up. You ready, bud? Because I'm not. Yeah. You ready? Big travel day. Alright, let's get on the road. Let's go. Ready? Let's go. Let's go. Watch out for the mud. Thank you. Alright. Let's go. Go. Oh, alright. Oh, it's a mess in here. Hey, guys, come here. Hi. What's that? You ready? You ready to get on the road, mister? Oh, 13 hours. Here we go. Alright. Let's get on the road. Doing good so far. There was a wind advisory leaving Mass, but I'm doing about 59, 60 right now. And we should be close to Rhode Island, Connecticut by now. Got 909 miles left. Kylo's back there sleeping. Hi, bud. Just cranking the tunes and pushing on forward. Hello! Whoa! This van in front of me, it's really windy right now, so I'm going to slow down. Wood planks just flew off the van that was in front of me. I think I'm in Connecticut. The wind is really picking up, so I might just pull over for the night. We'll see. Doing about 55 hazards on, so gas is about 3/4. It's so windy, it's not even funny. Alright, we're in Bradford, Connecticut, right on the borderline, I would say. It's about 4 o'clock, 4:29. I'm gonna just call it here for a night. It's really windy and it's not supposed to die down until like maybe 7. And just maybe catch a quick nap, maybe hit the road at night, maybe traffic will die down less. Yeah, alright. I'll feed you, I know you're starving. Whip it good. Alright, it's about 5 o'clock. Kylo's dinner time. This is what inside here looks like. I'm gonna feed this guy. Because I just ate, so it's only fair. So, oh, I really need to get a bike hitch. Oh my god. Alright. Alright, mister. Ready for dinner? Stay there. Let's feed this guy. Whoa! That was already off. Just chilling here with Kylo. It's about 6, 7 o'clock. Trying to get some sleep, but this one's not letting me. Hi. So yeah, we pulled over. Do you mind? We pulled over at a rest stop in Connecticut. the wind was just so bad. I was literally wrestling the steering wheel. So I thought just call it a night here. I parked next to a bunch of semi-trucks and probably wake up at like 4:30 in the morning. Get on the road about 5. And yeah, I got about 12 hours left, 801 miles left. Yeah, we should be good. So far, so good. I don't want to jinx it. All right, Kylo. Why are you laying like that? You're funny. All right, good night. Morning. Morning. You cold? Yeah. It's 3:30 in the morning. You can see my breath. It's 23 degrees right now. Slept in 23-degree weather, Kylo. Yeah. Alright, you ready to get on the road? Yeah. Alright. This was home for tonight, or I guess last night. There's us. Alright, gonna go walk him and check all the tires and just warm up the motorhome before I get on the road. I just eat breakfast while it's warming up, so. But yeah, let's go. Alright, hopefully you can see me. The tires are already up. Motorhome's warmed up. Kylo has peed. And we are going to hit the road. I'm going to put in the address now. Died, so now I'm just going to talk to you. I got 9 hours and 23 minutes left, about 634 miles. I'm cruising at, whoa, pushing me all over the place. I'm cruising at about 63, and so far so good. I'm almost at half a tank. I think I'm near Philadelphia. Just left Jersey, so yeah, so far so good. White boys, make some noise. Let them know we ain't going nowhere.
White boys, make some noise. Oh, let them know that we are right here.
Come on, turn it out, let it out, GTO.
Turn it on, run it up, blow it out, GTO. Wow, 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 yeah. Little GTO.
Little GTO. Kylo's looking at me like. What was the other one? Oh yeah. Hello, Daddy. Hello, Mom, with the chain bomb.
Let it out, blow it out, no way. I got you all like gold boy. Who's this Daddy?
Hello, Mom. I'm your boy.
As the dishes in the bio,
Chain bomb.
I'm bored. Just reached about half a tank. Cruising at 62. Next rest stop, I'm gonna... Been driving for about 4 hours. Next rest stop, I'm gonna get gas, walk Kylo, stretch my legs, possibly take a little nap. I feel good. I'm just gonna lay down for a little bit. We'll see. So. All right. Little update. Made it to Delaware. Found a welcome center. Well, I guess the welcome center is only one. But there's a spot for RV parking. So we're going to move over there and camp for the night. Ready? Ready, Freddy? Yep. All right. Alright, we tried to attempt to take a nap, but it's around 2 o'clock, and we're just gonna eat lunch / dinner, because we're gonna try to get on the road around 1 a.m. So, feeding Kylo now, and then I got some Burger King. Yep. See you later. Alright, it is around 1 a.m., January 31st. Had a little tire scare this morning, or I guess now. My inner dual, the extender, I guess it jiggled loose coming out of New Jersey because it was pretty... Why do you always bounce around when I'm talking or on the camera or something? It jiggled loose, and I ended up... I guess it was bouncing around for God knows how long. So the tip of it broke off and started leaking air out. So the inner dual was completely flat. And I'm in Delaware. And so what I ended up doing is just unscrewing the extender and just had to manually air out the tire from the valve stem. Because the valve stem's good. It was just the extender that broke off. Actually, I have it over here. Alright, hopefully you can see that. But... yeah, that's where it screwed into the inner dual, and then that's where it was just leaking out air, right there. So, I was able to band-aid the situation. It's airing up now. They take a while because they're 80 psi, but I'm gonna hop on the road. I have 8 hours left, so I'm probably just gonna do 4 hours, and then sleep at a truck stop, because they have showers, and then just do another 4 hours tomorrow, so, yeah. So far, so good. Trucking along. Wish me luck. Good morning. Got a little tire issue in Delaware. So what's going on? The inner tire, the valve stem extension broke off, and it was just the air was just rushing out of the inner tire, and now I had to take the old extension off because it was just rushing air, so I took it off, but now I have no way to add air into the tire. So I found a tire shop that's 7 miles away, 12 minutes away. I think 30 pounds or 40 pounds is in the tire. So I aired up all the other tires, and I'm just gonna beeline it. And they're open, so they work on an RV. So that's what I got going on. And then hopefully we can get back on the road. He said first come, first serve. So warming up the RV now, and yeah. See you later. Alright, made it to the tire shop, barely. Gonna go in and talk to him now and see what he can do for me. Alright, it was about 60 bucks to fix. Making sure everything's battened down. It is. Gonna hop back on the road. Hi, Lil.